Syaukat dah tua, Syaukat pendek, Syaukat kecil.
So you think like your age is against you right now?
Okay, so good question juga. So benda tu yang banyak orang doubt tau. Syaukat dah tua, Syaukat pendek, Syaukat kecil.
Syaukat pendek.
Banyak banyak orang komen macam tu on YouTube and on Facebook semua kan. So just to address this kan, number one, age. Dulu I used to think yang my age and my height adalah satu halangan. Sebab I thought it's too late. Memang ada rasa macam nak give up. Sampai tahun 2022 tu 2023 Gabe emailed me. Dapat email daripada official WWE kan. Suppose WWE.com. Ada email daripada siapa ni? He introduce himself, I'm a talent scout. Lepas tu kita dah build relationship semua. Dan masa tahun 2024 last year June tu, yang dia cakap yang, you know what, you are perfect for WWE. So bila somebody cakap macam tu, terus I rasa like, oh you know what, tiba-tiba segala doubt yang I have of myself, daripada si ketinggian ke umur, semua hilang. Because I know yang Gabe cakap that my talent will overcome everything. Macam it's no longer a barrier. And bila kita tengok balik sekarang, a lot of wrestlers in WWE at their peak, kebanyakan ni umur 43, 44, 45. So for me, I'm only 37. Only. Dulu is like, oh aku dah 37. Tapi sekarang my mindset is like, I'm only 37, I still have the whole world ahead of me.
Ingat DDP, Diamond Dallas Page 35 umur dia. Dia start wrestling. Diamond Dallas Page 35 tau.
Dia meletup masa umur 40.
Kan? It's not too late.
Audio Plus.